Hey y'all, it's me, Rockstar. I'm playing this new escape game called Crawlspace, where you've got to navigate a crawl space and finish certain objectives in certain amounts of time. It's freaking awesome. Really, I ain't playing no game. I'm at fucking work and I'm stuck under a crawl space because I'm that guy that, you know, didn't get a job till he was 50, so he's got to do all the shit the little punks are supposed to do. Yeah, the new game Crawlspace, brought to you by Steve's Plumbing.